Do you want to unlock the secrets of any niche with these powerful research and content creation tools? Today, I'm so excited to share the tools and resources that have been absolute game changers in my content creation journey. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or social media influencer, these tools will help you level up your content game. Here's the best part. Most of these tools are free, or you can get started without spending a dime. Since I started as a hobby, I focused on keeping costs low, and you can do the same whether you're building a business or just enjoying a hobby. Greetings and welcome to your one-stop blog growth guide. I'm Carolyn A., and I'm here to help you launch your blog, grow your audience, and monetize your content. Let's dive in. Keyword research is like a magic wand for your online presence. This can make a big difference in helping you connect with more people and grow your business. When I first started my blog, I was just having fun writing about what I loved. But when I decided to turn it into a business, I realized that knowing the right keywords is like having a secret weapon. Why this matters for audience building. For creators and businesses without an existing audience, keyword research is like having a roadmap that guides your journey to building visibility and trust. By focusing on what people are already searching for, you can create content that resonates with your target audience, drives traffic to your site, and helps you build a loyal following. It helps you create content that people actually want to see and makes it easier for them to find you. I'll admit that keyword research can be tough to master, but once you do, the benefits are endless. Hrefs Free SEO Tools offers free tools for keyword research, backlink checking, and website analysis. UberSuggest, a comprehensive keyword research tool providing search volume, keyword suggestions, and competition data. Keyword.io generates keyword ideas by scraping Google autocomplete and other search engines. Lowfruits, an advanced keyword research tool that focuses on finding low-competition keywords. Answer the Public visualizes questions and queries people have about specific keywords. Google Gemini, Google's AI-powered tool for keyword and content suggestions. Claude.ai, AI tool for content and keyword generation. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can help generate keyword ideas and related content. It can also create custom images and help with proofreading, editing, and generating content, answering questions, and more. vidIQ offers keyword research, analytics, and video optimization tools for YouTube. TubeBuddy is a YouTube-certified tool for keyword research, SEO, and channel management. Full disclosure, I haven't personally used TubeBuddy, but it comes highly recommended by many users. SiteKit Plugin, a WordPress plugin that integrates Google Analytics, Search Console, and AdSense into your website. Google Analytics tracks and reports website traffic to help you understand user behavior. Google Console provides insights into your website's search performance and helps identify issues. YouTube Analytics, a vital tool for tracking and analyzing your YouTube channel's performance. YouTube Analytics provides detailed insights into how your videos are performing, including metrics such as watch time, audience retention, traffic sources, and demographic information. Bluehost, a popular web hosting service known for its reliability and affordability. It offers various hosting options, including shared hosting, VPS, and dedicated servers, making it a versatile choice for websites of all sizes. Bluehost is especially favored by beginners due to its easy setup process and strong customer support. Wix, a website builder and hosting platform that offers a free version with drag-and-drop functionality, allowing you to create a website without needing any coding skills. Astra and Astra Pro plugins, lightweight WordPress themes with extensive customization options. The Astra Starter Templates plugin gives you access to a bunch of ready-made website templates that work with the Astra theme. It makes setting up your website easy, whether it's for business, a personal blog, or a store. You can pick a template that fits your style, and then tweak it to make it your own by changing things like the layout, colors, and text. This way, you can get your site looking professional without spending too much time or effort on design. Elementor and Elementor Pro plugins, drag-and-drop page builders for creating custom website designs without coding. Canva and Canva Pro are incredibly user-friendly tools that streamline the graphic design process for both beginners and professionals. QuillBot is an AI tool for paraphrasing and grammar checking, a content generation tool, and includes a plagiarism checker. Social Warfare Plugin is a social sharing plugin that lets you add customizable social sharing buttons to your website. Updraft Plus Plugin, a WordPress plugin for automated website backups and restores. WooCommerce Plugin, a powerful WordPress plugin for creating and managing an online store. AutoTerms Plugin, a WordPress plugin to help you create and manage legal pages like terms and conditions, privacy policy, etc. Mailerlite, an email marketing service that offers tools for creating and automating email campaigns. All-in-One SEO, a WordPress plugin that provides comprehensive SEO tools for optimizing your website. IThemes Security, a WordPress plugin that offers various security features to protect your website from attacks. Pretty Links, a WordPress plugin that helps you create and manage short URLs. Compressor.io, an online tool for compressing images. Compress PDF, a tool for reducing the file size of PDF documents. PDF to PNG, converts PDF files into PNG image format. PDF Embedder Plugin, a WordPress plugin that allows you to embed PDF files directly into your posts or pages. Broken Link Checker Plugin, a WordPress plugin that identifies broken links on your site. Text-to-speech, this tool converts your text into spoken audio, enabling you to listen to your script while it is read aloud. This method helps you proofread by hearing the words, which can make it easier to spot mistakes and improve the flow of your writing. WP Rocket Plugin, a caching plugin that improves website speed and performance. GT Metrix, an online tool for testing and analyzing your website's speed. Adobe Color is a tool for creating and exploring color palettes. FontPair, a tool for finding font pairings that work well together. Wikimedia Commons, a repository of free-to-use images. Smart Mockups, a tool for creating realistic product mockups. Plagiarism Checker, a tool for detecting plagiarism in your content. That's a wrap on how to excel in content creation without a team. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Grab my favorite tools in the show notes. Want to grow your blog from 0 followers? Watch my video, How I Built a Blog with 0 Followers, and how you can too, and comment below if you'd like a demo of any of my favorite tools. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.